Well, let's see if we can, what we can do about getting this rearmost brake line routed. In there, from the rear hose inside the frame rail. Okay, what they did is they routed this rear end vent tube up to the gas tank filler. So that's where that goes. Okay. I think what we're going to just do is kind of bend it like that. Bring it back and down. Whoa, ish. Yes, I see you. Okay. You should put it there, huh? Yeah. Oh, Daddy love you. Yes, he does. Okay, hop down. It's hooked. It really is hooked up there. Okay, let's get this out of there. Okay, what we're going to do here, we're going to cut the old line off. And then piece it together. So we can, shoot, knocking you guys around again. Okay. Next line we have to work with here. This long one right here. Okay, we're going to take a little piece of tape. Yeah, let's move it back a little bit so we can bottom the line out before we start the fitting, screwing. We want to be able to push the line into the hole and then start the thread. There we go. Perfect. Then we'll do the same thing on the other end. Oh, you want to come back in? Huh? Do you want to come back in? You can come back in. I'm not doing any welding. Okay, come on. Pretty close. Getting it pretty straight. Yeah, right in through here. Could stand a little straightening. Okay, 9/16. Let's see what we can do with this. Drip, drip, drip. Is that 1/2 inch? Oh, that's a 9/16. Yeah. Okay. Okay, here's the second one. Now, I don't know which line that one is. It's this line right here. Okay, we have a sharp bend. What would be better? Poke this in and then bend it, or try and put some bends in it? I think the best approach here is to try and run it up through first and then bend it. Works. I can route it down. Why don't I do that? Go under that one. There. I had to take you guys off for a while. Kept bumping into things with you because I was working under here. I got the line. Ran. It still needs to be positioned in some of the clips up there, but we'll get it away from all the any potential rub spots and that. The other end is screwed into the module. No, it's just a matter of tightening and down the two ends and then getting it up in all the factory clips. One of the things I did is that masking tape kept my fitting down at the end of the line, so I was threading it through so I didn't lose it. That was kind of glad I did that. Okay, that was tight. Now, let's see. I think this one's good. This is good. That's the breather holes for the rear end. Let's work our way up. Let's see what we can do up there. 'Cause it's kind of flying in the breeze. Comes up here. Comes around the corner. And into the module right there. There you can see it. Angling right there. Okay. And I think that's where it's clipped down pretty good. That's where I am going to leave it. I'm not going to be able to tighten up that front fitting until I take out some of the other fittings and get in there. So, I think that's enough for tonight. I'm pretty crusty. Need to take a shower.